This is a multimedia weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois. You see here listed our home page, weather.gov/Lincoln, and our winter monitor page, also available on our home site. This briefing concerns a winter weather storm affecting the area this weekend. Freezing rain has already broken out across a good portion of northwestern half of the area. There's a winter storm warning in effect in the northwest third of the area, northwest of the Illinois River, and that's in effect today through 6 a.m. on Sunday for our portion of this area, and a freezing rain advisory in the pink southeast of the Illinois River down through Springfield and Bloomington. That's in effect through 6 p.m. today, and a flood watch in the green areas in effect this entire weekend for 1.5 to 3 inches of rain. Looking at some amounts for freezing rain on the left side, a 1/4 inch up to maybe even 3/10 of an inch for the winter storm warning area. And in the freezing rain advisory area, 1/10 to 0.15 inches of ice accumulation possible. And then in the flood watch areas, heavy rains might accumulate up to 1.5 to 3 inches, and as much as 4 inches in the southeast corner of our forecast area. The winter storm warning will continue through 6 a.m. Sunday, with snowfall expected to develop later tonight into Sunday, and 1 to 3 inches of snow might accumulate in that area. Eventually it'll change over to snow as you head across central Illinois towards I-57 on Sunday morning. The surface map valid at noon today shows a frontal boundary to the southeast of Illinois and a cold front approaching from the northwest. Between there'll be icing, as you saw in our graphic, with a mix up towards Chicago and mostly rain southeast of Lincoln. Freezing rain will continue in the northwest portions of the area where the winter storm warning is in effect, where we expect the most icing. This is the 6 p.m. map, and as we head into midnight, a continuation of freezing rain with snow starting to become more prominent northwest of our area, and steady rains continuing across the southeast half of the area as low pressure moves across southern Illinois. An additional area of low pressure will move across Illinois late tonight into Sunday morning, and that'll bring in even colder air, changing most of the precipitation over to snow Sunday morning. A little bit of icing or a mix might accumulate towards Champaign and up to southern suburbs of Chicago on Sunday. And snowfall should diminish or end during the day Sunday as low pulls off over the Great Lakes. Locally, the ice accumulation amounts up to a 1/4 inch for Peoria and maybe as many as 3/10 or slightly above towards Galesburg. The icing mainly today and tonight. And snowfall amounts as we head into late tonight into Sunday morning, up to 3 inches towards Galesburg, with up to an inch as far south as Peoria, but mostly a dusting along the Illinois River. Total liquid amounts of precipitation up to 4 inches in the southeast portions of Illinois, and then 3/4 of an inch to up to an inch in the northwest portions of Illinois. So very large amounts of water going to be falling across Illinois this weekend. Stay tuned to the latest information about this developing winter storm at our webpage.